Malachi. Hi, Malachi. Moses. Okay. Jeremiah. Hey, Jeremiah. They all in Uncle Duty room playing the game. Oh, yeah. Again, disclaimer. Going in the room. I'm going to tell them what we might see.
Alright. Just got me a Ps4, now Chartered Edition. And this week they had a promotion deal. You get the new Batman game for free. So excited. I'm taking all day. I just got home from work.
Where you work at?
Little Caesars. 8 hours of manager training. 12. Then if I come home and do 12 hours of gaming.
Uncharted. What does that mean?
I don't know. I go to MPS.
What the heck that got to do with anything? I'm trying to see. Am I on a cord? Can I roll in there somewhere?
Yeah, you're on a 6 cord. Look at that.
What about the back? Ouch. Okay.
Alright, now for the grand finale. What I'll be waiting for like some months.
Sorry I'm shaking the camera, y'all, but I'm trying to get... Ps4. It's like taking them forever to open. Y'all see his curtains? Fan or whatever. Instead of buying curtains, he decided that he was gonna spend his money this way. He said them be his curtains.
Alright, first. It's my first time ever holding one.
What is that you're holding?
The Ps4 DualShock 4 controller. The DualShock 4.
Oh, okay.
So it's nice. It's nice and it's nicer, comfortable in my hands. It's nice and comfortable. Fits my hand pretty well. I got a pretty big hands. Nice clickers.
Clickers. Look at the plastic. Ooh. My granddaughter Teresa will love that.
Alright, this is my charger to charge my controller. And this is my online headset. It's a little cheap headset that they free. And
Can you use those for your phone?
yeah, I can. I can use phone and headphones for that too.
Okay. Ooh. Look at this TV. Ooh.
Here's my outlet cable for the outlets. I like nice and long. That's what I need, long. And here's my, let's see, my HDMI cord for high definition TV watching. Stony, everybody gotta have flat screen.
You see that paper on the floor? I bet you that paper be there till like next month. How you gonna throw it away? See that piece of paper right there? You just not gonna throw that
Grand finale.
Oh.
Oh, wait, not yet. I got a surprise. Oh.
Another goodie in there. What's that? The games?
Yeah, it's Uncharted.
Ooh.
Drake's collection 1, 2, and 3.
Let me see the games. This come with it. Oh. Clear.
Hello? Yeah, I ain't even done opening shit.
Tell him to keep the phone.
I just said keep the phone.
I'm gonna call him in a minute.
Alright.
That's the two. Okay.
And this is Experience
Oh, we got
Together.
another. What?
Starts off with 20% select, 20% off.
Those the cards that was in there?
Yeah.
And this came with it too?
Yeah.
Batman.
Here's a promotion deal I got free.
Promotion deal, Batman. Woohoo, Batman looking good. Hubba.
Don't forget.
That's the look there and there, right there. Ooh, that's the Ps4.
And I get 14 free days of online.
Let me see those cards.
That's how one card. So I get 14 free days of online, which by my next check I will buy a 3-month PlayStation Plus deal. And after that I will buy a 60-month PSN deal. So I can play online with my friends from work, you know.
I said you gonna. Okay, that's what came in. That also came in the box. So you saying next week you gonna do what?
When I get paid, I'm gonna go to GameStop and I'm gonna get 2K16 and another a PSN card so I can play online. But that card gives me 14 free days.
Oh, so you just gonna say no to the curtains?
Oh, the curtains. That's it's not. This is the actual system. Nice sharp edges. It's not too heavy. It's about as heavy as it feels like the weight of a VCR. One of those VCRs. And it's nice matte finish. No, the other ones had a gloss. Got 2 USB charger ports.
Why look like it's like
slanted?
Yeah, it's slid over.
Right
okay.
And actually, I will not be keeping it this color. I will be ordering some skins off Amazon.
And how much do those cost?
Probably $13 to $24, depending on which one, because you can get a bundle for a controller and your game. So your controller can be a different color with like cartoons on it, like Dragon Ball Z or like skulls and all that stuff.
What was that you just put over there?
What?
Something fell off the floor over there.
Oh, it's about this, the plastic that was covered in.
Can I see it? Oh, okay, the plastic. Okay. I probably could use that for some, because it'll be over there for a long time.
We're going to hook it up.
We're going to hook it up. We'll be right back. Okay, he's plugged it in. Ooh, that's what it looks like when the Ps4 come on, baby. Ps4. See what happens when you have patience and you work hard and live.
I just got promoted too, y'all.
Oh yeah, he got promoted too. He get his little what you call it?
My manager shirt.
His manager shirt.
Sometime next week I'll let her upload it to her page.
Gee, thanks.
No.
It's gonna tell y'all what to do in a minute. Ooh, look at all that. Ooh, now the game is over there plugged up on that little table, see? Ooh, now they can see you at night when you're sleeping. Government watching us, y'all. What did it say? Welcome. Oh, set up internet connection. Do you have internet connection?
Yes, I do.
Oh, you pay a monthly bill?
Yes, I do.
Yes, actually he does.
I'm gonna get the code right now.
Now you gotta put the internet code in. We can't be showing y'all our code, cause yeah.
Mom, they're probably in Brooklyn somewhere.
I don't care. I'm not gonna get in my code. I mean, they my subscribers and I love them and stuff. But Oh, y'all, while I'm sitting here waiting for him to put the code in, why I took my van to the shop like a week ago and they still not. It's, oh my God, I'm just gonna go get it tomorrow and just, I'm gonna let this man know, that he messing with a child of God. So I hope he, is proud of himself because he done blocked a couple of blessings messing with the Lord's child.
You
Yes,
mind
he has.
passing that cards right there?
Pass you what?
That card right there?
These cards on here?
Yeah, that's good.
This one? What are you doing now?
Time.
Setting it up.
14, what time is it?
Was I recording when you punched the code in? I think I was. Y'all seen my code, didn't you? See, I'm talking all this mess and I'm sitting there recording while I'm talking. What's that? It turn off by itself? You need to actually set that. After it's been on for 3 hours, no stop. Well, y'all, he just finna set it up, and I don't know if y'all want to see all of that. I don't know, maybe y'all do. Ps4, y'all. Okay, if y'all have any comments or questions, please leave them down in the description, in the comment box. And like and subscribe. This is my son's vlog, his first one. So, you gonna talk to him another time? Tell him some more of your stuff or whatever? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all again when I get my manager shirt. Or when I get 2K16.
Alright then. Deuces.